My topic is to give presentation as advertisement.
Quiet.
I prepared this presentation on advertisement by the coordination of Mr. Abid Ali and Asim Khan. In this presentation, I am going to cover definition of advertisement, characteristics, object, advantage, disadvantage, and type of advertisement. Finally, Mr. Abid will conclude this. What is advertisement? What I am giving here is presentation. When I am got paid for it, it will be converted into type of advertisement. What my definition says. Any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor is called advertisement.
Who's talking?
Characteristics of advertisement. It must be extension of a good marketing communication strategy. In a modern era, you cannot afford ads like Mende Handa Lesa. You have to be very careful when you are developing an ad. Second, it needs to be relevant to consumer needs and wants and values. If you are launching a baby product, you cannot transmit the ad into for old age. Another, it must be give consumer attention quickly. Like we have saw many news signs, it get the attention quickly. It should be truthful. Many advertisement in like we have experienced that telecommunication marketing like Telenor, Youfone, they lie. They actually lie. They do not market their product truthfully. Must be deliver main message properly. Now, objective of advertisement: increasing sales of the product and services, creating, maintaining brand identity or brand image, communicating a change in exciting product line, introduction of new product and services, increasing the buzz value of the brand or the company. Now here is an example of effective advertisement. If you can guess that what product is being advertised, please tell me. In this ad, you are bound to watch till the end. You cannot afford to miss any scene of this ad. This is what is effective advertisement. Now advantages. Mr. Asim will tell the advantages.
I will try to explain the advantages of advertisement. Increase in demand. Advertisement help in increase the usage of a certain product and hence acquiring more orders. For example, Pepsi Cola in Pakistan used to advertisement heavily, and they have a very strong and a heavy budget of advertisement. And in fact, they they are getting more and more orders of Pepsi Cola and other products of like mineral water and other products they have. Secondly, increase market share. It creates new customers and increases brand recognition. As you know that Allbirds is having a great market share in the field of dairy products and other milk items. Similarly, motivational issues. This is a typical advertisement. Advertising can also be used to educate and motivate the public about non-commercial issues such as AIDS, deforestation, planning, etc. Access to remote customers. It makes it easier to be reached the far customers. Internet. I hope all you guys are using internet and you can have any other advertisement and other. Then I have some disadvantages. False claims, excessive advertising has become the irritation in most cities of the world. Manufacturers easily make false claims about any product and influence the minds of the people. The government has imposed some duties on it. The other disadvantage of heavy advertisement is it increases the product cost. Like a new product, such as you may take an example of the Simox Zone. When it earlier came, majority of the people think that it's a very cheap SIM. You know that what about the China product? We have the image in our mind. Now then, they have focused on their product and this quality and spent some money on this advertisement, and now the result is in front of you. The next topics of this presentation will be further explained by Shah Khan.
It's ridiculous. You're there, you are continuing with your mobile. Please switch off your mobiles. If you want to use your mobile, you go out the room. I have no objections. But I don't want you to entertain people